Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw something super easy. It's gonna be the fork and knife pickaxe in Fortnite. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and this one is very easy to draw, and the only hard thing about it is that we're drawing at an angle, so it could be a little bit tricky. So let's just start out with the fork, and we're just gonna draw at an angle. This is gonna be the handle. Alright, so there's two lines down, and then on the bottom here, we just curve it. So that's gonna be the bottom with the fork. And then on the top here, we're gonna flare out. So this one's gonna go this way, and this one's gonna go this other way. And then from here, we're gonna extend it, and we're gonna keep it the same angle. So right here, we're gonna go all the way up. Just straight up. Okay, and then in order to draw in the details, we're gonna come down here, right in the middle, just draw like a little U shape. And then from this space here, I'm gonna draw another U shape. So we're trying to divide it up nice and even. So right here, another U shape here. All right, and then once you have those three curves over there, on this one, we're gonna come down and just connect to this little curve right here. Okay, and then same thing here. Turn, just come down, connect to that. And then now from here, we're gonna go straight up. And then we'll curve down, same thing, we're just gonna come down, connect to this little corner here. So that's three, and then one more. So the last one is a little bit easier. Then turn it down, just connect that. Alright, so that's the hardest part, and now for the knife, it's very easy. So we're gonna go this way now. So right here, I'm gonna come down, almost down here. Okay, so it's gonna be a little bit flatter here, so I'm gonna come down a little bit shorter and just round it off and close it off. Alright, and then on this side, we're gonna continue here. This line, just go up, all the way up here, almost to the fork. And then on the bottom here, come up here, just flare it out a little bit. And then now you can draw in one smooth curve coming down. So we're gonna turn. So it's a little bit sharper here, and then now we're gonna come down. I know these big curves are kind of tricky. And just connect them. And that is it for this very easy to draw fork and knife pickaxe in Fortnite. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.